imagine Alexa for your eyes. But the difference is that the information that it's retrieving, the questions that you're asking of the data are your own conversations. For example, hey X-ray, remind me what my wife told me to buy from the shops yesterday. Or hey X-ray, tell me what the lecturer was talking about today when we were talking about protons. Or hey X-ray, tell me what the doctor said I needed to do tomorrow morning. That will work in all kinds of life. You think of immigration issues where people are having to deal with people who speak different languages, or people in hospitals and having to rely on translators coming in. Instantly, that resolves that issue.